What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the "No audio output device is installed" message you are seeing on your Windows 11 PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure your audio output device is properly connected to your PC. You should make sure it's turned on and functioning properly before trying any of the next tweaks. If the device is properly connected and you're still seeing the error message, then reinstalling your audio driver is the next step. To do this, open the Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the list. Once you're in the Device Manager, expand the Sound, Video and Game Controller section. Right-click your audio device and choose Uninstall Device. Allow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. After that, restart your computer. Windows should automatically reinstall the audio driver upon reboot. This might already fix the "No audio output device is installed" error you are getting. If reinstalling the driver doesn't work, you can try resetting the audio controller. Go back to the Device Manager and this time uninstall the high-definition audio device under System Devices. After that, shut down your PC completely. Unplug the power cable and hold down the power button for about 60 seconds. Leave the computer off for another 10 minutes before restarting it. This process will reset the audio controller and hopefully fix the issue. Another method is updating the sound driver. Again, in Device Manager, right-click your audio device under Sound, Video and Game Controllers and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. If an update is found, it will be installed automatically. Restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem started occurring after a recent Windows update, you might need to uninstall the last Windows update. Close the Device Manager window and open up your Windows settings. Under Update and Security, click on View Update History. Select Uninstall Updates. Find the most recent update, select it and click Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation and then restart your computer. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.